Hello everyone. As per today's algo challenge, I am going to find the second largest number of a given list or array. So this one also very popular algorithm question among interviews as well as the assignments in computer modules. So I will be proceeding with Python and Java coding in few methods. Let's move for the coding part. So let's start the coding part with Python. My script file is second largest .python. So similar to the previous challenges, I will explain two methods to achieve this task. So first method, I will say def second largest. So input should be a list here, so I will say lst. So in this method, for the first step, I am going to sort the list first. So then I can get the largest element at the very last position of the list once it is sorted. So the second largest element is at the second last position of the sorted list. So that's what I am going to do in this method. So I will use lst dot sort. There's a method called sort. So then you get the sorted list. Then you can return your last second element. So how you get the last second element from a list? You can give -2. So if you give the -1, it is the last element. So if you give the -2, it will be last second element. So this is the first method. Let's have a print one test case here. Second largest, I need to give some values. I will say 12, 15, 20, 56, 3, 67. So what is my second largest value here is 56. So let's run here. Yeah, the value 56 came as the second largest one. So using this method, you can sort, then you can return the second last element. So this is the very easiest method to get the second largest element of a given list. Okay, let's move to the second method. So I will say second largest 2. The input is again a list. So in this method, I am using two variables to keep the max value, that is max1, and the max2 is my second max. So I need to initialize these two. So I will use the first two element of this list. Max1 value should be max of the first two elements. So lst 0 comma lst 1. So the max2 value should be the minimum value of these two. So the max1 and max2 we initialize. So next we need to iterate through this list. So for I, the range. So the first two elements we have processed already. So you can iterate starting from second. So then up to the length of the list. So this is my for loop. Then you need to take one by one the elements and check it with these max1 and max2 values and proceed. So if current element, that means lst ith element, is greater value than the max1, that is the largest value, then that means the current value should be the max, new max. So max2 should be previous max1, and then new max1 should be lst ith value or the current value. So this is one case, that means lst ith element is greater than the max value. So the next one, elif, you can say the current value lst ith value is greater than the second max and not equals to the max value, that means that is in between max 1 and max 2. So LST I not equals to max 1. So if this condition happens, what we need to do is only max 2 should be changed, no change to the max 1 value. So max 2 equals the current element, ith element. So what happens in next? So in the else part, that means the current value is lesser than max 2 as well as the max 1, then we can ignore that value. So hereafter you can come out of the for loop and you can return the max 2 value. So this is your second method. So we can print the same for our second method. So the value should be 56. See, this is from the first one, this is from the second one. So this is how you can get the second largest value using these two methods, using sorted method and the loop iteration. So let's move to the Java code as well. So here is my Java method for finding the second largest. The input is same as a list of integer. So in this method I am discussing the iteration type, so not going to describe the sorted method, it's very simple. So I added a extra validation here. List size is lesser than 2, I have written 0 and put invalid input, because the input size, list size is lesser than 2, you cannot find the second largest element. So that's why I put this one. So better to have those in the Python code as well. So similarly I get the max value, max 1 value and the max 2 value. This is the largest one, this is the second largest one for the first two elements. So as we process the first two element here, we need to go the for loop is starting from the second element until the end of the list. So similar to the Python code, the conditions, the two conditions are same. The current value is greater than the max value and the current value is in between the max 2 and max. The same conditions and the same statements are there. So after that you can return the max 2 value. Here also I add the unit test. So you pass this array, so your answer should be 45 in this array. So let's run for this one to check it correct. Yes, it is passed. So this is the Java syntax for finding the second largest. So that is it for the today's episode. We have covered the Python and the Java code for finding the second largest. Let's meet with another episode. Till then, goodbye.